what's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. So guys, we're here at San Francisco International Airport. I have to catch a flight from SF to Dubai and then Dubai to Delhi and then Delhi to Chandigarh. That's like so many flights in 24 hours. Not 124, dash 24 hours. And guys, first time I'm gonna fly in economy. I don't know guys, but I have never flown economy more than 3 hours, I guess. By the way guys, not also because of content, because of it's too expensive. Like economy flight is also very expensive. So let's eat something because I'm feeling very hungry and the boarding gate opens in 40 minutes. So let's find something to eat, and that too guys vegetarian. That is very difficult to find here. So right now I'm here at Udine. I ordered a California sandwich which is probably vegetarian. Brought my sandwich here. My stuff is here. That's the plane. This one, not that one. That's too small. And the weather is so nice. And that too guys, it's not cheap. It was like my most expensive ticket that I've ever purchased because it's holiday time and everyone is going home or on vacations, so that's why. And like it was around $2,000. And currently guys, I'm waiting for my flight. The plane is here, but it will like take off at 3:40. It's 1:48 here now, and I don't know guys what is happening. And guys, I am not well, and now I can't wait to eat tasty food. And my gala is kharab. What will I do, bro? So we're here for boarding, but the boarding is in the end because of economy class. And guys, it was my first time. It is my first time, or it's gonna be my first time boarding an economy, because every else plane like in US or domestic, it's like simple, but I don't know, but it's different. And first they call first class, business class, economy, making you realize that you are poor. Qatar Airways plane was so nice. It was looking like it has worn a mask on its eyes. If you have seen Invisible, or it's a movie with I don't know, I forgot. Invincibles, I guess, or Incredibles. I have no idea what's the name. And guys, it's so packed. No way. So guys, here's our seat. Finally first time in economy, Emirates economy, and first time gonna travel in internationally in economy. And guys, it's very nice. I just love the seat. Like it's better than the normal domestic US airlines. They are the worst. Sneaker पहन के आ गया मैं. That's my bag. अभी मैंने अपना सामान उठाना है यहाँ से. Guys, economy is also nice. I'm loving it, except the waiting time. And it's too expensive. Right here, but just above. And but I was coming to US. Now I'm going here, one level now. I think next year I'll be on the wheels. Guys, the plane is going for taxiing, I guess. Don't know what it is called, but it's going for taxi. And guys, I also got to know one new thing about takeoff. Like there is a guy there who will remove the pin from the tire of the plane and he will show it to the pilot. After that only he can go to the runway. I'm not able to find that guy. I'm looking for that. guys. Guys, our dinner is here. I don't know what it is. Some dessert, something, bread, butter, wet wipe, chocolate, and rajma chawal, apple juice. Ta-da! You guys, so I have changed. I forgot to vlog, but I think I'll sleep. I'll try to sleep because, guys, my head is paining. Also, guys, I have one thing. Like, I don't know when the lights will be off, but I don't know if it's true, but I think these are the stars. You won't be able to see it, but I think so. Or I don't know, or it's just deja vu. So good night, guys. So guys, the lights went off, and as now you can see the stars. Oh, like see, there are the stars. I love these stars, guys. Yo, what's up, guys? So our flight is about to land like in under an hour, and the flight was very comfortable, and just loved Emirates now more because I don't know, guys. I feel like economy is better than business class. And also, guys, one more thing. The views in this flight were the best. And now we have just 2 hours to board our next flight. I just hope that I am able to buy 2 things, that is my favorite chocolate and 1 perfume, and I have to do one more thing, but that is the most important thing, because I have to go to washroom. Because, guys, when I was going to washroom, I waited for 10 minutes and they told you should use the back behind one, because we're going to close this because the flight is about to land. So I am like, I will rush to the washroom after landing. I'll be the first one to stand. And guys, for this day I have purchased this mic, so the background noise is not affected, because in my earlier vlogs of like flying, the audio quality is the worst. Video quality is nice, but audio quality is dashed up. our flight landed and we are here at TXP Dubai International Airport. And guys, the flight was very smooth and the landing was also very smooth, I guess, because it was my first time. Because whenever we land in Emirates, it's like very shaky, but this time it was a little bit normal. And guys, exactly after 3 plus 5, 8 years, I am seeing the Burj Khalifa from the plane. Because when I was in 2017, when I was going back home, that time I saw. Guys, so we are outside the plane and it's, I don't know why I'm feeling cold here, that too on my legs. And guys, first time I'll be gonna be connecting, because I used to stay 1 or 2 days in Dubai. So guys, I am in the Emirates lounge right now. I have a flight in 1 hour, it was delayed. And guys, I was finding flicks desert, that Dubai chocolate statue one, kunafa one. I was finding it like very enthusiastically, but I couldn't find that. And when I when I searched the Google Maps, and my location was showing Terminal Concourse C, and that shop is in Terminal 3, so we're not having it. I'll miss that chocolate, guys. I just love that chocolate. It's my first time coming to this lounge. I was in on the other one, but I don't know why this one is not nice, but it is like empty. I think it's like night time, that's why. So guys, so we are boarding for our next flight, and sorry. Yo guys, so I have boarded the plane and I'm inside. Guys, I just love the economy of Emirates, but like A380, not this one, Boeing 777. It's the most worst. Like, see guys, no window. And also guys, see me and see the seat. I'm like so huge. And guys, one more thing guys, the windows are not clear. In A380 it was very clear, and the leg space, can't even tell guys. Like, it's like little bit same, but not that much. I don't know why I have postponed doing my homework, because I should have not done that. Because see guys, it is impossible to do the homework here, and I'm gone. The due date is just like 2 hours after landing, and most of the time will be taken in immigration. That's why I am good. You can understand my language. Yo guys, so guys, it's raining, I guess. That's why they are like circulating an emergency message of weather, severe weather hazard. So guys, it's been like 5-6 times. I'm always sitting on the right side while going back to India, and on the left side when I'm coming back to Dubai. I don't know why guys. I would love to see the border of Pakistan and India, but I'm not able to see it every time because I forget. And when I remember that it's on the left side, it's too late. it was automated on autopilot. So see you guys, Chandigarh. Guys, we're here in Indigo off to Chandigarh, and finally guys we'll be reaching there around 8, and that's gonna be our last flight for this like this leg, because I have to
अपनी
reach
यात्रा को शीघ्र शुरू
like
करने के लिए आप अपने बड़े
Chandigarh
बैग्स को
on
ऊपर वाले ओवरहेड बिन में और छोटे बैग्स को सामने वाली सीट के नीचे रखें। कृपया अपनी सीट पर बैठ
20th
जाएं और
December, so
प्रस्थान
I'll
के
be
लिए
there
आगे को खाली
earlier
रखें।
one day.
धन्यवाद।
We have like, we took off and it's looking like we are above Greenland. I know it's white, but it looks like, but that's just Badal Sahab. Sukhbir Sada Sukhbir. So we have landed in Chandigarh finally guys. 21 hours of flying and 48 hours of waking up, just 2 hours sleeping. So like, share, subscribe guys. Ta-da.